Dharma of life, who I am, why I am here, what is my purpose, what is the meaning of my life, how can I serve? If I have only 1 month to live, how will I spend my life? These are the acid questions you should ask yourself before proceeding in the business of life. You have only but one life, a very short life, and not knowing its meaning is a great loss. Not knowing your purpose is like a ship without a rudder, no direction, no hope. It's like chasing the wind. Knowing your purpose gives meaning to your life. It simplifies your life, motivates your soul, and focuses your concerns on what matter most to you. You, and only you, can unfold your true identity and destiny if you know your Dharma. Dharma, a Sanskrit word from the root word dar, which means to support, uphold, and nourish. It is the cosmic foundation that supports life, the sustaining force of the world, and the divine coherence of the universe. Dharma is understanding appropriate action in accordance with one's duty, purpose, and meaning. It is the wisdom behind all things. Can you tell me the Dharma of a pen? To write, isn't it? If the pen is not used for writing, does it serve its purpose? And so is true with a candle. Its main purpose is to provide light and heat. If not, a candle would be useless. In reality, this principle is the foundation in knowing the purpose and meaning of a man's life. You are not an accident. You are perhaps nature's greatest miracle, and you are created for a grand purpose. Knowing and performing your Dharma gives you the ability to express your true nature in unleashing the human potential, the fire within you, to achieve your life objectives and meaning. By discovering your Dharma, you can develop an enormous level of integrity and influence that can shape your character and self-being. Philosophically speaking, man's Dharma is all about growth in human consciousness. Abundance is your natural state, and with it comes your wealth consciousness and growth in the four leverages of life and their basic needs. Number 1, physical, economic leverage, meaning to live, which means survival and financial health. Number 2, psychological, mental leverage, meaning to learn, which means growth and development. Number 3, emotional, social leverage, which means to love, meaning relationship, empathy, and service. And number 4, to leave a legacy, which means spiritual leverage, meaning and contribution. Balance in the four leverage of life is the key in developing and fulfilling your life worth in human standards. It is the foundation of an effective life. Spiritually speaking, man is a trichotomous being composed of body, soul, and spirit. His Dharma is all about worship and service above self. in God's consciousness. It all starts with God, the true north compass of life. It is the fulfillment of God's greatest commandment given to His unique creature, human being. To love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your mind, with all your heart and with all your soul, with all your mind and with all your strength, and to love your neighbor as you love yourself. There is no other commandment more important than these two. The bedrock principle of all things that matter most in life is love. The sincerity of your love towards God and others. This is the highest dharma in human life, the golden rule of our spiritual maturity, and the yardstick of our eternal life worth. In the end, you will realize that the natural laws of life are the laws of love, which is the foundation of an enlightened life. Stephen Richards once said, and I quote, "Life is a mission and not a career, and the purpose of our education and knowledge is so that we can better represent Him and serve that mission in life, in His name and toward His purposes." In the words of Rick Warren, the best use of life is love. The point of life is learning to love God and people. Life without love equals zero. Life without love equals zero.